Hello, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. My name is Henriette and today we are learning a dominant 7th in the key of C as it is set in the grade 5 ABRSM syllabus. It's one of those things that often gets let towards the last minute of the technical aspect of the grade. So it's lovely to see you here today to join in with me, breaking it down into its separate sections and learning it together. It will make learning a lot easier. So let's go and get started, get your instrument, and we'll be with you. When we play the dominant 7th in the key of C, so it begins on a G, we have to watch out that our second fingers in the first bar are not in the same places. So my second finger, when it first comes on a B, which is a high second finger on the G string. And then when we next play the second finger on the D string, bear in mind that it is lower. Now, in the second bar of the dominant 7th in the key of C, we first play a B, followed then by a pulled back first finger. So this is all about if you can place your fingers diagonally across the strings. First, this is about the second fingers, and then in bar 2 it is about the first fingers. I'll play this for you and I'll explain more closely what I mean by that. So you will have noticed that in bar 1 I play this. So you want to watch out that that second finger comes higher on the G string than it does on the D string. The second bar, take care of your first fingers. Okay, now we'll join that up. And now I'm going to play this at the same pace all the way through again, and I'm going to repeat it just before the final note. So I leave the final note for last. I'm going to actually repeat it twice so you can join in and have lots of time to practice this, okay? So we're repeating it twice before we hit the end note. 1, 2. Now you've practiced it really well. So now I'm going to say the letter names because it helps tremendously with memorizing this. If you know what you're doing and you're just not playing fingerings, but you're playing actual notes, so letter names of notes. Now the letter names of the notes are going to be G, B flat, D, F. And there's only 4 letters to remember. So if you can remember your own phone number, you can probably remember 4 letters as well. And these 4 letters get repeated in the second octave. Now on the way down, I don't tend to remember my letter names because I just play the same notes on the way down as I do on the way up. So I just say to myself, now go the same way down. But on your way up, it does really make a lot of sense to say the letter names when you play this. So you can join in with me. 1, 2, G, B, D, F, G, B, D, F, there we are. So now we're going to slur this dominant 7th, and we're going to go and slur it 2 notes to a bow first. 1, 2. And finally, we're going to slur 4 notes to a bow, and we're going slightly faster when we do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you slur it like that, well done for getting so fast that you can slur it like this. When we slur it 4 notes to a bow, we want to see if we can spot where the string crossings are, because when your bow goes from one string to another, you want to look after it very, very carefully so you get the most smooth string crossing that you've ever done. So let's work on that this time. Let's see first of all where the string crossings are, and then you can aim to play them as smoothly as you possibly can. Well done. You've got so much better at playing this dominant 7th now. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.